Hello friends, if you're like me and you're trying to add more veggies to your diet in 2023, then join me as I make a delicious stir fry using these beautiful veggies I picked up recently at Trader Joe's. If you don't have a Trader Joe's near you, don't be discouraged. Regular veggies will do.
Prep is easy. Now let's prep. For the broccoli, just cut off the tops. You can, if it's too large, you can cut it in two. And you can use the stems as well. I'll repeat with the remaining broccoli. If you wanted a chunky veggie, you can leave it large like this. But today I think I want something smaller. Next we'll slice the mushroom, and shiitake mushroom is my favorite mushroom. It shrinks as it cooks, so you can cut it in two. Leave it whole for a chunky stir fry. Let's do the carrots next. I'll leave the corn, baby corn whole. I'll trim off the top of the baby zucchini. And because they melt easily and quickly, I'll just cut it in two. It's the year of no waste, and I have these that's beginning to go bad. They're still good, so I'll use it. This scallions or green onion. I'll also just trim off the top here of the celery stalk. I'll plant these in my planter. I'll slice the ginger. Grate it if you don't like biting into pieces of ginger. This I will fry in the oil. I'll chop these pieces to add to the stir fry. Everything else is small, but we have a very large clove of garlic here. This is an elephant garlic. Just cut off the bottom. I never said use 1 clove of garlic in any recipe, but this would be the first day. It's almost as large as the baby vegetables. I love garlic, and this is milder than the regular garlic, so I'll use the whole thing. And then we'll start cooking. I forgot the hot pepper. This is going to flavor the oil. It was in the freezer, so it's a bit wet. Okay. Let's start cooking. I forgot to also slice an onion. 1 large chopped onion. I've placed this large pan over high heat. Allow it to come to temperature. I'll add a couple of tablespoons of olive oil to the pot. Be generous. Once the oil is hot, add the ginger and the hot pepper. And we'll allow the edges to brown. We're also flavoring the oil at this point. I'll add the mushroom. The heat is now on low. I'll add in a little garlic. and a little bit of the onion. About half, just to flavor that mushroom. That's your meat substitute. It's all about building flavors. You also want it to get a nice color. Color equals flavor. I'll add some thyme in. Thyme goes well with mushrooms. You could chop it. I build flavors as I go along. This is how I cook. I cannot teach you how to cook in 60-second videos, so I hope you don't mind the slow video and the detailed video here. Smells lovely. Just give it some time to cook. Be a little patient. Next, I'll add some salt. Just a touch. Now it's fully cooked and it's nice and brown. Tender, tastes delicious. We'll add in the carrots and the corn. Stir fry for a couple of minutes. I'll also add some more onion at this point. Building flavors and some garlic. And some of the grated ginger. Smells delicious. The scent of the pepper is coming through. And the garlic. I'll add in the beautiful cauliflower. And broccoli. Salt. Give it a stir. The remaining onion. And the remaining garlic. Some of that scallion. Raise the heat to high. You can steam it if you wish. Lovely aroma. I'm going to go ahead and add the baby zucchini now. This type melts very quickly, so I didn't want to add it earlier. If you want it to be cooked more tender, you can add it earlier. Veggies should be crisp tender. This is my veggies for the week. It's always good to have veggies in the refrigerator for when I'm eating. When we don't have food prep, we make bad choices. So you make a pot of veggies at the beginning of the week, and every day you can have a little bit with your lunch, grilled chicken or grilled fish, or baked chicken. I'll allow this to cook for a couple of minutes. Next I'll add freshly ground black pepper. Just a little touch. Stir in my cabbage. And the scallions. Give it a toss. So lovely. Smells so good. I added salt and black pepper, again to taste. And you don't want to overcook this at this point, reducing the heat to low. It's almost done. And you don't want to overcook it because you'll be reheating this during the week. It's meal prep, so it will continue to cook as you heat it up during the week. You just want to build the flavors right now. I will finish off with some sesame oil, and that's it. And it's good to have veggies in the fridge as part of a healthy diet, because if you fail to prepare, you prepare to fail. You'll be tempted to eat junk food or whatever else there is if you don't have healthy veggies in the fridge. And I don't have the time to cook this every day. So you can have it with grilled chicken, grilled fish, baked chicken, whatever it is that you eat during the week. And it's the sesame oil. You can also add soy sauce or hoisin sauce or oyster sauce. I keep it clean during the week. Least amount of processed ingredients. The sesame oil only has one ingredient. And when you're buying sesame oil, only look for one ingredient sesame oil. Soy sauce should only have 1 or 2 ingredients. And that's it. We're done. Easy peasy. Take off the stove. Hope this video has inspired you to make a pot of veggies at the beginning of every week to enjoy. You can also add bell peppers in here. Give it a try and let me know in the comments below if you loved it. If not, also let me know. Until next time, stay safe, be well, cook, share and love. Bye bye.